is to photograph the way that the serpentine belt goes, so that you don't forget how to put it back on. Okay, down here somewhere there should be something to adjust the tension on the pulley. I'll have a look in a second. P40 Torx in this case. You put it in the centre of the adjuster and you pull to get the tension off and remove the old belt. Down there you can see the markings for the crankshaft. At the moment it's almost on top dead centre. That should be easy. We're going to use that later on another video where we're going to do the valve guides. Here's the water pump, just here. Down there is the alternator, and over there is the air conditioning pump, and that's the, up here is the power steering pump. How loose it is, and that's why we're doing the job. So remove this cap on the fruity wheel on the water pump, and in there is, just check on the size in a second, but a Torx bolt. On this one, on mine, it's a T50 Torx. It'll be easier to undo like we're doing while it's still on the car. I've seen lots of people remove them while they're on the car, but I think you could remove it later. It doesn't look like it screws into anything. With that removed, we've got the water. With that removed, we've got to remove the water pipes, and we'll go around looking where all the bolts are. Best way to find out where the bolts are is to look on your new water pump. Here, there's a hole. It's likely to be a bolt. Alright, we've then done all the bolts on the water pump. They were E11 E12. And E12 size sockets, and now I'll just remove it away from the block. Where's it in your head? It's in the block, isn't it?
Okay.
We've got a plastic. There's a plastic connector on some pipes there. We're going to just have to remove. But we didn't realise. I'll do that and I'll get back to you. I've already put the hose on, same as the old one. So got a gasket here just to go underneath, which I'm going to have to use both hands to do it. And obviously it'll line up and screw through those into the ones that are there at the moment. I'll show you just after I've fitted it in. Something was wrong. That first gasket was obviously for a different model of Mercedes. I've got a new gasket here. So I'll just fish that on and put the bolts in, hold it in place, and then fit it to the engine. There's the new gasket. Just get some bolts in and bolt it up. Just continue to go around screwing the bolts in. Need to
it's not long enough that one.
Connect this hose. Got to get the hose clip for it. There's the pump fitted with 4 E12 bolts and I think it was 5 E11 bolts. Just need to put the hose on now. Right, now attach the pulley with the bush that's just fallen out. tighten up the Torx bit. And just get the pulley with the Torx bit. Right, just putting the belt on. I don't know if you can see from here the way it's routed. Over the top pulley, around the bottom, across the water pump smooth idler and the adjuster, around the crankshaft, along to the aircon and up over the, which pump's this?
Steering.
A steering pump. Using a 17mm socket on the adjuster that's just underneath the adjuster wheel. You can get the tension, you can hold it while you just slip over the belt. There you go. One drive belt or accessory belt, whatever you're going to call it, fitted.